Hello everybody, this is Dr. Kevin Connors again, and we're going to talk in this video about skin cancers. Skin cancers are very near and dear to my heart. My wife had melanoma, many family members with either melanoma or basal cell carcinoma, but it's probably pretty near and dear to a lot of people's heart. Basal cell carcinoma is extremely common, especially as we age. We see that a lot of times with people on their head and neck and face. It's very common. Melanoma is becoming more and more common, and basal cell carcinoma is also pretty common. So if you're listening to this, you probably have yourself or friends or family members that are dealing with it. So please look on our site on how to deal with it, because this is something that can be taken care of with alternative care very, very successfully. So look into adding alternative care to your protocol, even if you're doing standards of care. It can be very confusing understanding your diagnosis. We realize that. Extramammary Paget's disease, I put it in here. Usually that's not diagnosed till it's metastasized to the colon or the rectal area or the bladder. But it really is a skin cancer. It's very rare, but that's very dear and dear to my heart because that's what I have. So the skin cancers are important cancers is because they can become very serious, especially extramammary Paget's disease and melanoma. When you go to the doctor and you get a diagnosis with any type of cancer, you're going to be inundated with being pushed down that medical road. And I'm not saying that it's wrong to go down the medical road, but you do not have to choose between standards of care and alternative care. So it's something that can be done concurrently. So look into adding alternative care. It shouldn't be called alternative care. It should be something that we do on a regular basis anyhow. These natural things that can keep our body healthy can stimulate our immune system and take care of us. But when we do decide to add alternative care, it gets confusing, and I understand that. What pills should I take? What supplements? Should I take mushrooms or Protocell? I just don't know. Everybody's giving me these things and giving me advice. I read it on the web, on the internet, I saw it on Facebook, whatever. That's what we're here to do, is to bring some clarification to your life. We test you specifically to find out what are going to be your best cancer balancers. What is going to be your best diet to go with? What are we going to do to cut off the fuel source? What are going to be the best frequencies if we're going to use Rife technology with you? So the more specific that you can be to your cancer and your situation, the better success you're going to have. And ultimately, that's what we want, is you to have success in your journey here. So we just want to come alongside you and partner with you and be your coach with that. So whether you choose us or not, utilize our site, download my books, and know, regardless, we will be praying for you. Thanks so much.